Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is EJ Lityatko. Teka, bakit nga pa laging hey guys yung intro? Ba't hindi na lang hey boys or hey girls? Alam mo yun, nagtataka ka ba kung ba't hey guys? Parang yun na talaga eh. Diba? Nagtataka din ako since hindi ako sanay maging slang. Bakit nga ba yung mga tao tinatawag siyang YouTube? O diba? Shala! YouTube talaga, diba? Pero, pag Pinoy ka, pwede bang maging YouTube? Oo, syempre pwede, di ba? Nakapag-decide ako to ask for an opinion from the wife of my cousin. So, ang tawag sa kanya, cousin-in-law. Tama ba? Cousin-in-law. O, di ba? So, pupunta ako sa clinic niya just to have this bothersome. Itong bothersome masyado. O, diba? Big word, bothersome. Ito, oh. Ayan, sis. O, ayan. Kasi ito, maliit lang yan dati. Tapos, biglang lumaki eh. And then, I asked a dermatologist friend, and she said that it's a santelasma. So, I don't know what it means, and I don't know where I got it. Hindi ako actually sure kung ba't ako nagkaroon ng ganyan. And I guess, siguro, dumadaan tayo sa mga aging process. And probably, mana-mana lang. Pero, talagang nakaka-bother siya. Ito, super nakaka-bother talaga. And, I'm so sad. Every time I put on makeup, parang, imbis na ma-cover siya, sometimes, medyo noticeable pa siya. So, I really hope that you won't get this. And, it's so hard to remove kasi I heard na kailangan daw siyang i-laser cautery. Oh, so shall. Ang gagawin natin is to do a mall makeup. And hindi naman kailangan yung super bongga na makeup, diba? Kasi magmo-malling lang tayo. And after that, I'm gonna probably magdi-dinner na rin doon. So, o diba? Ang shala talaga. Power Plant is one of the most popular malls actually here in Manila kasi medyo shala siya, medyo high-end din yung mga stores niya, pero kasi madami nagpupunta dong mga artista. Yes, marami nagpupunta dong mga artista because of the Rockwell Club or basta yung Rockwell Center na yun. So actually guys, ito lang naman yung susuotin ko. Itong very simple shirt na to. Ayan, smile, it's free. Tapos, mag-shorts lang ako. Ayan. O diba, kita pa yun siya. Ayan, mag-jeans short lang ako. Kasi, hindi ako masyadong pumaporma pag nagmo-mall unless may pupuntahan akong party or special occasion, dun lang ako nag-aayos. O, diba? Totoo yun. Alam ng mga friends ko yun. At alam nyo na rin yun. Ngayon. Okay, let's go and do this makeup right now. Hola! This is my favorite Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum as a skin protector base. I super love this jade roller. My mom gave it to me as pasalubong from Taiwan. Use this in the morning and evening after you apply your skincare. Ito naman yung holy grail ko. This is Shiseido Spots Cover Foundation, but I use this as a concealer instead. I really like this because it is creamy, a little goes a long way, and it's matte. Just set it with a light dusting of powder. Then, syempre, gusto ko medyo flawless lang, pero hindi masyadong mabigat sa mukha. So, I use this Silky Girl Pure Fresh Oil Control Pressed Powder. Then, brush muna ng kilay. Then, let's just use this Designing Bro Cara Mascara from Face Shop. Ito lang, wala nang iba. Ito lang talaga yung gagamitin ko. Hindi na ako mag-eyebrow pencil, eyebrow gel, or whatever. Ito lang talaga. The color I got is number 4 or brown. Kasi ayoko na masyadong makapal, ayoko rin yung masyadong manipis. Ito yung in the middle, so I guess this works really well for me. Brush, brush, brush. Blend, blend, blend. Oh, ito pala yung one of my favorites. It's called the Puppy Cheeks Chisel from Bobby Cosmetics. And it's inexpensive. Hindi ko na kailangan dito mag-blush. It's kinda like a blush and the bronzer in one. Ayan no, kaya nga chisel ang tawag kasi it's used for contouring. It also can be used as eyeshadow. O diba? Multi-purpose talaga ito. Then, I'll be using this Silky Girl Perfect Stay 20R eyeliner in dark brown. Have to soften it a little bit para hindi naman masyadong harsh. Since I'm just gonna wear shorts and shirt, might as well have a softer look on the eyes. Syempre, ayoko naman yung tipong titignan ako ng mga tao, no? Especially sa eyes ko. Masyadong bonggacious. Oh, this is my new favorite pala. It's called Heroin Make Long and Curl Mascara. Super waterproof. I love this mascara. It doesn't make my lashes clumpy and dry. Finally, my favorite shade and lipstick from Shuemura. Feeling ko naman ang ganda-ganda ko pag suot ko tong lipstick na to. It actually brightens my face. Oh, ayan na. Careline strobe stick ha. Tinatanong mga friends ko, paano daw gamitin to? Ito, dito banda. Tapos i-blend mo. Ayan. Then apply on the tip of your nose for highlight, on the peaks of the upper lip, and under the lower lip. Don't forget to put a little on the inner corners of your eyes and in the middle of your eyelids. O diba? Ang cute, no? Ayan, tapos na tayo sa makeup na to. At pupunta lang naman tayo sa mall. So, hindi naman kailangan super bonggahan ng peg. So, today is already 4 p.m. O, diba? Katatapos lang natin. And I think I took only about less than 20 minutes or the most is 20 minutes na. So, I think itong makeup na to should really look like you're going to a mall because hindi siya masyadong bongga and I just used fresh colors again. And of course, favorite ko yung mga fresh para mas nakakabata, mas hindi siya nakaka-old or mature, o diba? So, obviously, basa pa yung buhok ko and I'm just gonna blow dry it in a little while. And medyo mainit pero it's okay kasi hindi ko binuksan yung aircon pero it's fine para mag-blend siya kaagad. Sana may natutunan kayo dito sa look na to. I'm just going to a mall and obviously, medyo basa pa yung hair ko but I'm going to blow dry it before I go. So, ayun, medyo mainit but it's okay para mas maganda, mas ma-blend yung makeup na maigi. Tapos, ano pa ba? Ay, wala naman. Yun lang pala. Hehe. Ang harsh mo, tinry ko lang naman sumayaw eh. Bye! O diba, after a few hours, my makeup still looks fresh. Except for the lips, of course. Syempre, nag-retouch na ako. Thank you so much again. Sana may natutunan naman kayo. Until then, bye!